Hey guys, here we are outside a local market where we are going to learn some shopping and business English words. Are you excited? Let's get inside and look around. A local market is a great place to spend a day having a breakfast, a treat, shopping for a dinner, or choosing our own wide variety of new products. Now that seasonal food is so good, let's take a walk into the aisles and maybe we can find something fresh to buy too. One of the benefits of local market is that you can find a huge selection of butcher quality meats that you can trust to give you a great taste every time. There is plenty of Canadian beef, delicious sausages, kebabs and burgers. If you are a cheese lover, please make sure to stop by a dairy store to buy a variety of cheeses, and of course cheese curds. Wow, look at that! On this block alone, there is 100 types of cheese. Well, as you can see, there are tons of stalls and stores, and it's not just Canadian food. The market sells cuisine from all across the world, like Mexican, Chinese, Middle Eastern, and Greek to name a few. As trends change, people want to eat more organic and healthier food. So if you're a fan of farm-to-table food and would like to make sure that what you're eating is grown locally, these markets have got a lot to offer for you. They sell homegrown produce for several generations, and they are still the choice suppliers for local chefs who want the best quality for what they are giving to their customers. So if you're a cookie lover, I've got a great news for you too. Don't miss out on the mini donuts, candy apples, English muffins, and all the chocolate-covered items offered by your local pastry. Let's define some of the phrases and English words you learned today in more details. Farm to table. Farm to table refers to a fresh, locally grown or produced food. Example 1. If you're looking for some farm-to-table food, you should definitely go to the farmer's market. Example 2. Sarah, how do you want to spend your weekends? I heard that Toronto's local market is going to present a farm-to-table dinner event. That would be great if you could come over. Choice. Choice as an adjective. The word choice as an adjective means of high quality. For example, they are still the choice suppliers for the local restaurants, which means those suppliers are very high quality or they are offering high quality products for the local restaurants. Example 2. I had the most expensive dish on the menu, a choice fillet of fish. Here comes some shopping words and phrases. If you would like to ask a question about the price of something, you can use the following. How much does this cost? Or, how much does something cost? For example, how much does this baguette cost? You can also use how much is. How much is? For example, how much is that bag of potatoes? So, if you're going to ask about the method of payments, they are really great words and vocabulary. For instance, how can I pay for it? You can also use, do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards, cash, or debit cards? If you're going to ask about the point of sale system, this device, you can use the following phrases. Number 1. Insert your card. This process, as you can see, is a perfect example of inserting your card. Another way to pay for something that you just bought is to pay it by tapping your card. So number 2 is tap your card. Tap your card. The third method of paying something using POS system is through swiping your card. So number 3 is swipe your card. Swipe your card. So when you are moving your card sideways while touching it with the POS system, you are swiping your card. Example number 1. Should I swipe my card or tap it? Example number 2. Do I have to enter a PIN code if I insert my card? So let's drop in on the bakery and use some of these English magic words in practice. Since they ran out of fresh baguette, I just wanted to get a different type of bread. I picked my favorite one, a big loaf of sourdough bread. So, how much did this cost? Okay, great. And how can I pay for it? Okay, great. So, should I swipe it or tap it? Okay, great. So, Thank you very much for watching this video. We look forward to shooting more tutorials for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscription, and notifications button down below. If you've got any questions or suggestions regarding the future videos, please don't hesitate to write them down in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to get back to you.